Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Google Photo app. I'm going to click on here to open my Google Photo app. Next thing you want to do is to select the particular images that you would like to crop from your Google Photo. So however, I'm going to use this particular image right here. So I'm going to use this image right here. Then having selected the image, next thing you want to do is to click on Edit tab. Then take you right here. Then here you can drag and adjust the area you would like to crop from the image, just like so. So once you're satisfied with the result, next thing you want to do is to simply click on this check mark right here. The next thing you want to do here is to simply click on Save as Copy. The next thing you want to do is to click on Save as Copy so that you can retain the original. Click on Save as Copy. Then it has been successfully saved to your Google Photo. So I can simply go back right here, and then here I have the crop version of the image in my Google Photo right here, just like what you see right here. So this is the crop one, and this is the original image right here. The before and after is that simple. For more tutorial about how best to use your Google Photo like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.